after San Miguel draws first blood over Rain or Shine in game number 1 of the best of 7 semifinal series of the PBA Philippine League Cup. Earlier, it is a close fight game for the San Miguel Beermen. They made their comeback from 22-point lead down to a additional 4-point lead to clinch their first game series win over Rain or Shine. Best player is Ronald Tubit with 15 points, 2 assists, and 3 out of 6 from the 3-point line. What a good performance and a comeback for the San Miguel Beermen dahil maganda yung pinaglalaro nila. They fight for lives to win this game. Kaya better chances to win again on Thursday. So it is a potential and stabilize their position under Coach Leo Austria. Sa first quarter, okay sana eh. Nakascore ang Beermen by 8 to 6 2-point lead heading on the second quarter. Kaya lang, naglabanan ang Rain or Shine at lumobo ang lamang sa malalayong puntos. Kaya nahihirapan ang San Miguel dito para sa matiting depensa bago ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters na pinataob nila ang San Miguel Beermen sa score na 68 to 50 pagdating sa first half. Sa third quarter naman, lumobo na naman ang lamang ang Rain or Shine. Tumaas na naman sa 20 points sa score na 91-71 favor Rain or Shine. Mahirap sabihin nitong third quarter dahil hindi nagustuhan itong play ng San Miguel Beermen pagdating sa third. At pagdating ng fourth, nagkaroon ng milagrong depensa at pag-atake dahil nagpursige silang magkamit itong shooting percentage para maibawi ang kalamangan ng Rain or Shine. But from 22 points now down to just 2-point lead favor Rain or Shine in the crucial crunch time game. At sa banda huli, shoot ng isang free throw si Arlene Santos to clinch their 4-point lead win over Rain or Shine. Final score is 109-105. Muntik na sanang magkatres sa bandang huli itong si Paul Lee. Pero SMB can hold on in the end. So what a comeback performance. Nagkaroon kasi ng milagro para may panalo itong unang serye sa Game 1, itong semifinal game. And San Miguel can have their one-day break before SMB looking to double their series by 2-0. So, titignan na natin yan in the meantime. My player of the game will be Ronald Tubit because he has a good shooting kahit kalahati yung percentage niya sa Beyond the Arc. Okay lang para may panalo itong game. With the help of Ronald Tubit, Junmar Fajardo has his relief in that game. Kaya gumanda yung performance ang San Miguel Beermen in a conclusion part of the game. So that's the best player of the game. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/TheBeermanFanTV, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram on the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, by the way, we will have no player ratings for today for this is 2016 due to its day adjustments, kaya magbabalik ang player ratings by next conference. So anyway, I'm Aaron Rob. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.